Hey guys, so I'm trying here to develop a new way of using the cloud mix, and I think I might be onto something. Now I did one over there. Now you can't see it very well. I'll show it to you after, but I've got my cloud mix here. I've got 1 cup of Artist Loft on its own that I'll be using as my base underneath everything, and then I've got some super flashy, cheap ass Artist Loft, the blue, metallic, and orange, and I've got a 20 by 16. So let me just set myself up here, and I am going for this. Alright, you guys, so this is about an hour later. Now, first of all, I have a new phone, so I'm gonna have to adjust my camera in case this looks crappy. Now, that's the little one I was talking about at the beginning. The first one I did was pretty much all with my blow dryer. You can see it's really cloudy. Very, very, very abstract. Like my puddle pours more at the beginning that I did. Not like these don't look like defined like the cloud pour, you know? Super abstract. Alright, so let's go in for the details. Now, if you've been following me for a long time, you're probably going to hear me say something that I've said many times before. And that's that I love it when there's a mix of everything in the painting. Like this is a perfect example. There's the negative space and then a ton of action going on. Like the overall look is awesome. I find I'm liking it. And in all that madness, there's the brains, there's a bit of lacing, there's the metallic, there's some blurriness, some seam-like grittiness. Boom, that orange on its own. And this I really love, like where there's a line and then you see that line there and then it goes like shaded. Okay, I can't explain it, but I love where it separates. I had got that once in another painting a while ago, and I remember saying, oh, that's my favorite part of the painting, and now it's all over the place in this one, and I'm thinking it might be because of the cloud mix. Dude, there's just so much going on. And I think like this is totally the beginning of this exploration here. Like so much more to learn and to try. But what I like about it is there is sort of like an overall cloudiness, you know? It looks weirdo creepy, but still a bit cloudy. I don't know if that's clear. And it might change more in time. So, yeah, shutting up now. Stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result. And I think I left too much paint on that canvas there. I kept pouring, and instead of blowing some off, I just blew it like continually on it. So it took forever to dry. It took like more than 24 hours. And there is a little bit of texture, and there is some of the white that did change there. But I'm still happy with it. I'm really like this part that I loved so much is still there. Pretty much everything stayed the same except it seems like there's cracking a bit in the white. But it's actually pretty smooth. I think the texture comes from the fact that there was just too much paint on the canvas. But yeah, it's super creepy, but interesting, right? And it's not varnished. I don't know what you guys think, but I don't know. I like the shape. I really like the shape and all the effects. So yeah, have a good one.